Today, I'll walk you through how to quickly change your work address in Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to update your work location so you can ensure accurate navigation and location sharing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing google.com into your address bar. This is the starting point for accessing all of Google's services. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a list of Google applications available to you. From the Apps menu, select Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can manage your locations and explore the world around you. Now that you're in Google Maps, you'll want to find your work location. Click on the search bar at the top of the page and type in work. This will help Google identify your current work address. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as Google frequently updates its interface. After typing work, you should see an option that says Set Location. Click on this option. It allows you to define your work address within Google Maps. Next, it's time to enter your actual work location. In the search bar, type in the address of your workplace. This is similar to filling out a form, just ensure that the address is accurate to avoid any confusion later on. Finally, once you've entered your work address, look for the Save button. Click on it to finalize your changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your new work address is stored and ready for use in navigation and location sharing. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your work address in Google Maps. Remember, keeping your work location current helps you and others find you easily, whether for meetings or deliveries. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.